Yeah, all these leaves are gonna be camouflaging hazards. The leaves.
I'm not gonna be jamming through here. Still recorded.
Yeah, that way is sketchy. Whoa, that's
just sketchy.
You gotta get some more beefier tires, dude. Yeah, those are like literally Oh, that is by Inmotion, right?
What? Alright, I'll take the lead. Oh, yeah. I don't want to slow nobody down, so. I don't want to slow anybody down.
I'll my light. I'll let you guys have it. I have a light already. Make it even harder. Like just the headlight.
You go in front of me, John? Or doesn't matter? No, you can take the mic.
Here.
You're gonna be in front of me. Oh, right here. Maybe not blue. I thought you guys were just gonna hit like some jogging trail.
Nah.
Alright guys, be safe, take your time, no rush, it's dark, take your time.
It's dark, is it?
So, everybody's right out safe. We come together, we all live together. Alright, you guys ready? Let's go.
Hoi! Yeah, the shocks are a little bit too squishy. Whose dumb idea was it to get a Patton with 62-pound shocks? Oh yeah, that was me. Never mind. Whoa. Ugh. Ugh. Whoa. Surprise. Ugh. Whoa. Wait. Yeah. Oi, oi, oi. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Whoa! Went off a little bit there.
Holy shit,
My
bro.
first night doing Van Buren. I'm like, dude, I haven't rolled this shit yet.
Dude, this thing just goes over a little bump and you barely feel it.
Bro,
Yeah.
I fucking went off that last 3 bumps. Hella clean.
Dude, those 3 bumps, that's why I yelled. Because I hit those 3 jumps. And boom, boom. I was like, oh.
That was tight, dude.
Yeah.
Yo, dude, that was so much fun.
Waiting on the other guy.
Woo, yeah, I just saw their lights going here. There they go.
So intense at night, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I was like, holy crap! All I see is a trail and nothing else on my side. Like, it's a scooter. Let's get it!
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh!
look at that. Hell yeah.
Alright, we're gonna hit riverfront. We're gonna hit the riverfront for the EUC. For this roll, Sandy. It's great. Solid. Keep it clean. Good. Take your time,
We're
though.
gonna hit it from the.
We're gonna hit it from the front.
Oh yeah. Yeehaw! Whoop. Yeah, I caught a little air off of that.
This one's the fastest one.
Yeah, the daytime is just great.
Alright, get a water break in there.
Whew.
Dude, it's fun riding at nighttime, bro. It's intense, man. It's fucking.
I'm grateful for you guys. It's fucking right. Yeah.
Some fun shit.
Hopefully,
Alright, right there.
Gnats are getting pretty bad. Had to close my visor. Woo! We lost E for now.
Yeah, he's still back there. He's kind of struggling.
He was behind you though?
Yeah.
Oi. Ah, there he went. Yeah, he's over there. Yeah. Hey, go back the way you came. skirt. Ugh. Yeah, that way. Yeah. Ugh. Going back that way? All right. Hey, Ephraim! Turn around! Oi! Ephraim. Alright, ready, set, go.
So, how is it with riding at nighttime against daytime?
It's a lot more thrilling at night, that's for sure.
I mean, this is an off-road area.
Honestly, after a while, when you're just so zoned in,
Yeah.
and it gets quiet, it gets kind of spooky. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, let me just go and pull back and wait for the crew a little bit.
Yeah. Well, even during the day, I mean, I haven't explored all of the, single tracks out here yet. So even in the day, sometimes it's easy to get a little disoriented and like, wait a minute, which way did I come from? Did I already take that path? You know?
Yeah. That was on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, all of these, man, they're good. There's a new one over here. I don't know if you guys hit it, but what I do is I bomb that little hill that goes down to it. And then it's a pretty good track for us too, the EUCs. We can definitely get through there pretty good.
That might have been one that Logan did his Superman off of.
I was like, oh, it's a little soft down there too.
I saw some lights when we were coming up here.
No way.
Yeah.
I saw them too. Oh no, because they were at that road down there. Just wait right here, I'll go get them. So once they come, because they're already on it right now. Once they come, then we're just gonna hit it backwards.
That's it? Oh, all right.
We're gonna hit all of Woodward too.
All of what?
Woodward.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna have a long night.
All right.
Yo, I'm going on black. Nobody cannot see me.
No, like there's no lights. Nobody cannot see me on black.
Camouflage invisible.
Dude, I really do love just the way it looks, bro.
Yeah.
Oh shit, here they come.
Like it's like what's the word? Utilitarian?
Yeah. What happened? You guys went halfway, huh? No, we went to the front.
That's what I'm saying. Because I was like, we might as well get here because I thought that was the plan. We just
Dude, I went on right there. Alright, who wants to bomb down that hill? Raise your hand.
What hill?
That hill over there, the monster.
I'll try it.
You do it?
I'll try it.
Whether I do it or not, I'm still going.
Change your mind?
Yeah. That's my soundtrack right there too.
Bye. All right. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Piece of cake. Piece of cake.
Go for it.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
You've done it in the daytime.
Do it. Do it.
Well, then do it at the nighttime. You ain't gonna be able to get down with the scooter. Oh shit, you alright? Oh, I hear that. What's that?
Uh-oh. Something's rubbing. Hmm. What's that? Yeah, yeah. Well, if there's nothing stuck in there and it's rubbing against the tire, it might be. No, it might be either. Shit, I don't know. Not a wheel bearing, but best you could hope for is just a twig or something stuck in there, maybe.
No, you can walk it down, bro. Just slide down with it.
You think it's dirt because it's slammed on dirt.
Just slide down with it.
Maybe.
No, I think it's just this. What? It is. It's just a fucking.
The kickstand?
What do you do?
The frame for it
might be bent up a little bit. Yeah. Good deal.
Use this right here. Use this apart. That way you don't bend. You don't want to pop a hole in your shit.
Right.
Yeah, that's real rounded and shit. It ain't gonna come too much.
Pop. That might have done it.
I know. Just like this. No, real tool? Nah, because you don't want to puncture a hole. You know?
Nah.
No, we're good. It's good. Try it now. Yeah, try it now. Make sure the sound's gone.
No, it's gone. It's just this right here. John still out there?
Oh, you come from the homeboy from down. Anyways, I wanted to hit that shit right there. Go back up there. Do it again.
That's some fun.
Maybe daytime, man.
Give it another try.
Oh, yeah. I don't hear it no more.
Fixed.
Hey.
Right on, right on.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, you see that? Gotta hit that. Wait. Oh, yeah? You guys ready?
Or is somebody gonna fucking hit that?
He's gonna hit that shit. He's gonna hit it on the GT. Don't do it. Is that river or what is this?
Wait, hit what?
That rock.
Oh, the rock. The rock jump. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that shit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hit that shit.
Hit that shit. Hit that shit.
Dude, commit, dude. Just all full send. No toe drag.
Hey, that was pretty clean.
Dude, you said someone would beat it off of the shit.
I was here.
Yeah, you were recording him.
Yeah. Those rocks, not a bad idea.
Whoops.
I could definitely get some air, but the other day I tried it. I ate it so hard because it was just so.
Wait, is that river? Dude, this river's man all flood.
Yeah, that was clean. That was clean.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Hell yeah, good shit.
All right. Ready, set, go. Whee! Doink. Doink. Oh shit. Oh. Skirt. Watch this ditch. Yep. Dip. All right. Off-road. It's off-road. Right. It's even further off the road. Do it one-footed. Nah. Come on, Ephraim. Right turn. Yep. It's the ghosts. Skirt. Yeah. 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 This matter a little too much for you?
What I know, man. I down there, man.
Where you going? Look at the balls on this guy. Ree. Ooh-wee. Whoa. Ah, shit. My ribs. Oof. Yeah, I'll live. Knocked the wind out of me. Yeah, I'll live. Woo. Thanks. Yeah, just knocked the wind out of me. Oh, thanks. Whew. Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm alright. Thanks. Whew. Nah, I clipped the pedal on the hillside there.
On the hillside?
Yeah.
This is one thing why I don't like it is that the foot pedal. You have to be so aware of like.
Yeah, I was getting a little squirrely and clipped my pedal on the hillside.
No, the best way to do this thing. I saw that. You just have to haul that.
I do.
Alright, boys.
What takes that?
What is that? Huh? What is that from?
An earring?
I don't know. What is it?
Looks like an earring. Oof. Yeah. He might have went that way, maybe. Yeah, got it. Woo. I don't know. Did he go that way on the ridge? What's up? Oh, he did go on the ridge. All right. All right, Efren, ready for this? Whee! Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, somebody's cowboy hat. Oy. Whoa. Oi! Woo! Fun shit, fun shit. Oi! Oh. Uh-oh. Easy, hot dog. You probably saw that opening in the fence and they go, oh, new trail. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Yeah. Woo. Doink. Aha. Watch the pothole, watch the pothole. Whoa! Whew. Yee.
Not me, sis. Alright, so we'll go hit this real quick. Down the trail.
Fast because I knew you were going to come flying past me.
Hey, this thing makes it so quick though.
Whoa. Whoa! Doink. Got a little bit. Yeah. Nice.
So what are we doing? We all going to hit it once and zip out? Or?
This is naughty on that
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Whew. What?
Have you tried the second jump?
Second jump?
That's naughty as
no. No.
That's naughty as yeah.
My name is not EUC girl.
My name is not EUC girl rider. Dude, she's a beast. She's amazing. She's good at it. That whatever she looks like, a rider or a pilot. That rider girl just jumped. Yeah.
See if you can put us in. Oh, damn.
I hope she doesn't. Came here, yeah. Oh shit. You know what's so funny? I didn't even know my EUC had turn signal. Oh. I'm just like, that's freaking hilarious.
They're more of a gimmick because you're already turning when they come on, you know.
I don't have a unicycle. It doesn't make sense. I just wish it would just stay on red.
Yeah.
It's there.
A little bit. Little bit.
the end, and then you guys just decide on faster.
Lost his helmet. All right, let's go then. Whew. Whoa. Ooh, shit. All right. They're getting a little big now.
It's so funny, right?
Whoa. Oh shit. Oh. Big old pit. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna have some Texas hot chicken. Let's just go down here. Yeah, we'll go our own separate ways.
Chicken.
You're gonna head out too?
You heading out, Doggy? Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we're just gonna go down this road and then we'll meet.
Right on.
Is that the name again?
Yeah.
Alright, John, man. Alright, Lou. Oh, yeah. Alright, brother.
We're gonna go all the way over there. We're all going together.
Oh, yeah. What's up? Well, just in case.